Hello and welcome to Season 3 of What Hebei Can Offer. I'm Adrian. Today we'll explore Shijiazhuang's fast-growing biopharma industrial cluster, worth hundreds of billions of yuan. Hebei's biopharma industry has built a full industrial chain, from raw materials and formulations to traditional medicine. It leads globally in producing antibiotics and vitamins and ranks among China's top in producing tablets and capsules. Among Hebei's 107 key industrial clusters, it is both a model of high-quality growth and a driver linking Hebei to the global health industrial chain. The High-Tech Zone cluster develops in several areas, such as antibodies, vaccines and adjuvants, high-end generic chemical drugs, etc. In 2024, the output reached 125.72 billion yuan. 5 firms rank in China's top 100 pharmaceutical manufacturers, and over 300 companies, research bodies and service platforms now form a complete ecosystem. How firms are growing and what support they can receive.
我们这个生物药源从2021年开始谋划的，这儿原来就有一些大的药企，像华北制药、石药集团都在这儿。我们依托于这些大的药企的那个上游和下游，引进了很多项目和很多产业。是我们石药集团可以说是全省的制药企业的领军企业了。去年的研发投入费用就高达了47亿。 一是有区域优势，二是有这种产业基础，所以咱们聚集了近1000家的生物医药企业。
Behind the cluster lies a strong policy system. From R&D to production, firms get financial and service support. Whether developing new drugs, generics, medical devices, or TCM products, companies receive subsidies and rewards from millions to tens of millions of yuan once they reach trials, approval, or industrialization. Policies also help firms meet global standards. Drugs and devices certified by the US, EU, or WHO receive extra rewards and faster access to overseas markets. Government services include a green channel to speed up approvals, plus AEO certification and customs recognition, ensuring smooth international trade for the industry. Recently, the cluster has drawn attention from journalists in Goiás, Hebei's sister state in Brazil.
That's an example of what the research can do. Maybe 5–10 years to do something like this. This is a vaccine, an injection for schizophrenia. In the past, the people who needs maybe 3 medicines for a day. But with this injection, the people who suffers with schizophrenia just take 1 of that in a month.
With talent green cards, financial funds, and park services, Shijiazhuang is building an open and innovative and globalized biopharma environment that supports every company and drives the cluster's rise. Let's hear the voices of Shijiazhuang's medical companies. What are your hopes for the future of the medical global market? And could you share with us your hopes and concerns?
我们其实从98年开始，我们制药集团从我们的研发到我们的生产制造到我们的质量，全都是走的这个国际化的这个线路，包括美国 FDA， 然后欧盟的 GMP 这些认证体系。我们绿叶制药的一个使命就是专业技术服务于人类健康。全球各国的精神类的疾病的病患是越来越多了，我们也是希望拥有这些国际首创的产品，让他们去更好的服务于这些精神类的病患。
我们现在呢，整个企业的经营规模呢是超过100亿人民币。按照我们的规划呢，我们年复合增长率大概在30%左右，所以我们能够明显的感觉到会越来越好。另外呢，我们在海外的业务，在这50多个国家会越来越多的产品上市，我们会有越来越多的在海外的协会啊、组织啊，跟我们所在国的医学组织做合作。 推动我们的产品进入更多的国家，帮助更多的其他国家的人民。
this pharmaceutical industry is now growing in China, so gave people a lot of opportunities to improve their life qualities, because we are now producing a really good product. Yeah, we are growing all the time. So I'm really have a good faith about Chinese pharmaceutical industry.
Recently, the mayor of Catalo, Goyas Velomar Gonzalez Rios, visited Hebei, experiencing its strong open pharma industry and bringing new ideas for cooperation.
Tem se mostrado fundamental, especialmente nas áreas da agricultura, ciência, tecnologia e infraestrutura, setores que também são essenciais para o desenvolvimento da nossa cidade. Catalão possui uma economia dinâmica, com fortes vocações agrícola, industrial e comercial. É nesse contexto que enxergamos com entusiasmo as oportunidades de estreitarmos laços com parceiros chineses. Queremos avançar especialmente em projetos nas áreas de processamento de produtos agrícolas, agregando valor à nossa produção local,
do qual nós levamos muito conhecimentos para Goiás, para Catalão. Olha, nós teremos primeiro o prazer de receber as indústrias de Hebei em Catalão. Um convite em meu nome, em nome do prefeito, para receber uma comitiva de Hebei lá em Catalão. Nós temos terreno para oferecer, nós temos uma legislação tributária muito boa, várias oportunidades.
The cluster has kept expanding, with output passing 100 billion yuan in 2023 and hitting 125.72 billion in 2024, up 10.7%. Its products reach Europe, the Americas and Southeast Asia. The Made in Shijiazhuang brand is gaining strength worldwide, helping improve global healthcare. Hebei's biopharma industry is opening to the world. Thank you for watching this episode of What Hebei Can Offer. Join us next time as we will continue to take you on a journey exploring Hebei's industries, engaging with the world.